Alex, the personal trainer, multitasking dedicated ninja who unlocks hidden potential to maximize clients' performance through sweat, tears, and hard work. See also sadist and fitness junkie. I don't think I'm a sadist, not often. Ramp up your warm-up. R.A.M.P is a really good protocol, an acronym that I want you to think about every time you come to the gym. We're ramping up towards being ready to do our workout. And what R.A.M.P breaks down to are these 4 words: raise, activate, mobilize, and potentiate, or prepare. These 4 aspects have different purposes and different focuses. It generally lasts 10 to 30 minutes, depending on what you're training and what you're specifically doing, but you need to get your body ready to train as efficiently and powerfully and strong as you can. Raise. This is the first part of our warm-up. It's about 3 to 5 minutes, and we're doing movements that increase our heart rate, increase our breathing, increase the blood flow around our body. Things like rowing, skipping, running, high knees, jumping jacks, jumps in general, are all going to be things that are lighter resistance and you're able to do continuously until your heart starts fluttering, you start feeling a bit out of breath, and it's that first initial part of our R.A.M.P. Activate. Activate is focusing more on the movements you will be doing in your workout. Let's say you've got a squat day. Movements that would be good for activating your legs would be squats, lunges, dynamic movements sideways as well would be good, like Cossack squats, or any other motion that actually engages your glutes, hamstrings, quads, and calves. If we were training with our chest or we're doing any pushing movements, we would want to do things like push-ups or band-assisted push-ups or doing shoulder press. So with those 2 kind of examples of like a legs day and a chest day, there's obviously other days you can have. Full body day, you would do everything. But activation slowly transitions up into mobilization. Mobilization is more about dynamically being able to move, increasing your range of motion, being able to not just get your shoulder up to here, but be able to get your shoulder up to here. Oh, good. Things that can be good for mobilization are more dynamic stretches than static stretches. It's been proven that dynamic stretches are able to increase your mobility and makes your body ready to train, where static stretches can kind of take away some of the strength that you're doing. But what I would say is really good: a deep squat, our scorpions, or any other dynamic stretch that still is related to the workout you're about to do. Finally, we're in prepare. We've gone up that ramp, we've done our raise, we've activated, we're mobile, and now we have one set, about 8 reps of one exercise, which is meant to feel like 150% of what you're about to train. So let's say we're going to be doing a push-up day. I want you doing explosive push-ups, or throwing a ball at a wall, or anything that means that you're not able to do many reps of that because it's so knackering that you're like, oh, I have to stop. Because we're trying to get our brain and our body at that level where we're overreaching, that then when you come to do your workout, oh, this is nice and easy. This is nice and casual. This workout's so fun because I'm not doing that warm-up anymore. We want to prepare our body at that higher intensity with explosive burpees, really giant jump squats, strong explosive ball slams, anything that's going to make your body and your nervous system explode through your body, that then when you come down to that easier intensity, which is your normal workout, it feels easy. You ramp up and then you do a little hop off, and then you're onto your ready, beautiful, loving workout. The considerations you have to have with the R.A.M.P protocol is change it for you. It might be tough saying that since you've gone, well, I don't know what R.A.M.P protocol is apart from I've just watched this video and I've got all the examples that you've said. Well, there might be things that I said just in activation that would be as tough as preparing. You might think that just doing some jump squats, well, I could do 30 of those in a row. Okay, then what you need to do is 8 power cleans at a weight, which is so heavy that you can only do 8, and you go, whew, that's crazy, I'm fine now. So this R.A.M.P is as big or as small as you need it to be to get ready for your workout. Make sure that you're safe, make sure that your joints are feeling happy, and make sure to subscribe and like the video if you've enjoyed it. Make sure to share it with a friend, and I'm really happy that you've watched this today. Do go and try and warm up. I know that I'm now 27 with that beautiful birthday mug that you saw at the beginning, and I am now in need of warming up a lot more often. There are friends of mine who are 20 and they're like, I'm fine, I don't need to warm up. But make sure you warm up.